Ever looked at a carpet cleaner that promises commercial-grade power and thought, maybe this is the one that finally gets rid of my dog's accidents, only to end up with a machine that sputters, leaks, or leaves the rug still looking dull? I've been there, scrolling through endless listings, watching glossy videos, and still feeling that knot in my stomach because the last time I trusted a big-name brand, the unit was so heavy I could barely maneuver it up the stairs. And the tank emptied after just a few minutes. That hesitation is why I'm doing this deep dive, to help you see past the marketing hype and decide if the Rug Doctor Pro Deep Commercial Carpet Cleaning Machine, especially the Pet Bundle, really lives up to the claim of being our most powerful carpet cleaner. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. First off, let's talk about the kind of situation that makes a carpet cleaner worth its price tag. You have a household with 2 dogs, a cat that likes to track litter, or a kid who insists on spilling juice on the living room rug every weekend. Those messes aren't just surface stains, they're often soaked deep into the fibers, and the odors can linger for weeks if you don't treat them properly. A typical consumer-grade vacuum or a rental machine from a grocery store may get the surface dirt out, but they rarely extract the embedded grime or neutralize pet urine at the source. That's where a unit like the Rug Doctor Pro tries to differentiate itself. It promises larger tanks, a stronger pump, and a bundle that includes a dedicated pet cleaning solution and a urine eliminator spray. Who should actually consider buying this machine? If you own a medium to large home with wall-tile carpeting and you regularly deal with pet accidents, spills, or hydrographic areas that need a thorough refresh at least a few times a year, the Pro's capacity and power can save you a lot of time and money compared to renting a commercial unit each time. The bundled cleaning solution and urine eliminator are formulated to break down protein-based stains, which most ordinary detergents can't fully dissolve. That means you won't have to repeat the cleaning cycle over and over just to get rid of the smell. Also, if you're a small landlord or a vacation rental host who needs to turn over a carpet quickly between guests, the larger water tanks let you clean a full room without stopping to refill, which is a real efficiency boost. On the flip side, if your carpet is mostly low traffic, you only need to spot clean occasional coffee rings, or you're renting and can't store a bulky machine in a closet, this might be overkill. The Pro weighs close to 70 pounds, and while the handle is adjustable, you still need a clear path to maneuver it, especially around tight corners or down narrow stairwells. For apartments or tiny homes, the storage footprint alone could become a hassle. Moreover, the Pet Bundle includes 48 ounces of cleaning solution and 22 ounces of urine eliminator, enough for several cleanings, but if you never actually have pet accidents, you'll be paying for chemicals you never use. Now, let's get into the practical strengths that actually show up when you plug the machine in. The first thing I noticed during a test run in a 3-bedroom house with a mix of low pile and plush carpet was the suction power. The pump seems genuinely stronger than the typical residential units I've used before. It pulls water and grime out at a rate that keeps the brush rolling smoothly without bogging down. That translates to less streaking and a more even dry down time, which is a big win for anyone who can't wait for the carpet to stay wet for hours. The digital indicator lights are a small but handy feature. They glow amber when the solution tank is nearing empty and turn red for the recovery tank. That prevents the surprise of the machine stopping mid-clean because you ran out of solution, which can be frustrating if you're in the middle of a big area. Another practical perk is the size of the tanks. The solution tank holds roughly 1.5 gallons, and the recovery tank is similarly generous. In my experience, that meant I could clean an entire hallway and a living room rug in one go without having to stop and dump out the dirty water. The larger capacity also reduces the number of refills when you're using the pet solution, so you can focus on the cleaning rather than the logistics of swapping bottles. The adjustable handle, while not a game changer, does make it easier to keep the machine at a comfortable height if you're on your knees or standing, which helps reduce strain during longer sessions. But there are also a few weaknesses that become clear after the first few uses. The hose that feeds the cleaning solution to the brush can kink if you're not careful about how you coil it during storage. A kinked hose reduces flow, leading to brush skipping or uneven suction, and you have to stop, straighten it, and restart. Not ideal.